What if I told you there's a place in Jamaica where you can wake up to stunning ocean views, play chess by the sea, and walk down to your own private slice of paradise? Sounds too good to be true. Well, let me introduce you to Moxon's Beach Club, where every step you take literally leads to something more beautiful than the last. This place hits different. It's got that perfect blend of laid-back luxury and authentic Jamaican hospitality that makes you feel like you found your own secret hideaway. Here's what I love about this spot. It's not just about looking pretty. This is where you can actually live and enjoy yourself. I'm talking chess and checkers tables scattered around with those incredible ocean views as your backdrop. Pool tables ready for some friendly competition. This isn't your typical look but don't touch kind of resort experience. Now, before you start thinking this is all sunshine and easy breezy, let me tell you about the one thing that'll either make or break your Moxon's experience. Because getting around this place, well, let's just say you're going to get your steps in whether you plan to or not. Let's keep it real for a minute. Moxon's Beach Club has steps, lots of steps. Steps to your room, steps inside your room to use the bathroom, steps to the restaurant and bar, and more steps to reach that private beach. If you need wheelchair accessibility or have mobility challenges, I've got to be honest, this probably isn't the right fit. But here's the thing, it's like the property rewards you for the effort with increasingly beautiful views. The staff, these folks aren't just doing their jobs. They're genuinely excited to share their piece of Jamaica with you. Now let's talk about the crown jewel, that private beach. After navigating all those steps, you finally reach this secluded stretch of sand that feels like your own personal paradise. Crystal clear water, no crowds, and this feeling like you've discovered something special. This isn't your typical resort beach packed with hundreds of guests. This is intimate, peaceful, and absolutely beautiful. So here's my honest take. Moxon's Beach Club is perfect for travelers who want something authentic and beautiful, who don't mind a little physical activity to get to the good stuff, and who appreciate genuine hospitality over flashy amenities.